Okay, here we are on our third series of our construction here at Binyan, Laguna. And makikita mo ang dami nang nangyari, no? Para bang we're now off the ground. Our last series, last time before you left, malalim pa ito ng ilang metro meters, yes. And then ngayon, we're off the ground. We have all of our columns already. So, ang ibig sabihin dito, we are now ready to go into the second floor of the structure.
What's inside of this?
Inside of this is, of course, the foundation. But then, better si Engineer Ariel ang magsasabi kung ano exactly.
Back
kasi,
to you!
Back to you because this is more importante
Back
kasi
to
ito
you.
para sa mga gustong magpatayo ng bahay.
What we have underneath, we're done with the footings and putting tie beams and grade beams. We have 2 layers of subterranean beam system that should protect the house from liquefaction. So what we're having right now is we're just proceeding with the construction above ground, which is what we call the superstructure. Again, we're counting on good weather for us to proceed trouble-free.
Mm-hmm. So inside the subterranean ground,
Below ground
is
structures.
what did we establish? Did we put rocks, gravel, I don't know, or whatever.
Okay.
How did we structure the layering?
The existing soil conditions require that we install tie beams and grade beams that should mitigate the possibility of future underground movement and
Is this the one body they were saying, you put the backal?
Yes, the crisscross
Tama
para
ba yun?
yes, para
I
bang
remember.
Hindi, kasi
Tama ba yun? I don't know
no, kasi basically earthquakes are in nature, no, it does not sway left and right only.
Remember guys, only Regal Homes builders would explain like this.
Naku naman. Tapos
Diba?
some earthquakes go
yeah.
up and down. So we need
Yeah.
to protect our site, our structure from any movement in any direction.
Either way.
Yes,
Either
kaya nga
up or
makikita
down.
mo, I mean, okay, talking on a more on a bigger, on a grander scheme, that's why new buildings now they're on bearings, right, engineer?
Yes.
Because they can just roll from side to side, or yung parabang even if the earthquake is yung parabang vertical, hindi mako-compromise yung structure. So dati kahit nasabihin mong matibay ang semento na ginamit mo, nakapako ka lang sa lupa for the old buildings. And if I'm not mistaken, this was implemented way back in 2008. In 2008, yung parabang all buildings built after 2008 have this type of bearing. All buildings before that, wala. So this is also what you might want to consider when you're shopping for a condominium. Not to put down the older buildings, but these are the technologies that were developed on or around that year.
Yeah. Well, older buildings relied on over-design. So how to prevent?
When you say over design,
Well, instead of just having maybe eight bars, just to compensate for any ground movement, they would probably in excess of 12, 16 bars,
okay.
just to make sure that it doesn't get seriously affected by ground movement.
So yun ang sinasabi nilang matibay na building nung luma, parang ganon.
Yes, that's what we call technically factor of safety, but what we call factor of influence.
Okay.
Well,
so,
I like
ang importante now is those railings and those bearings in the new building.
Precisely.
Factor of safety, but factor of that's the code for the day. Okay. Sir.
May konting reservation lang ng konti.
Okay.
Okay na yun. Magtataas pa tayo ng konti.
Like this is what they say, in point mo engineer Gary. Ito ba sabi nga ni William, this is how you put it, like you exaggerate the number of
Actually, that's
this one.
computed.
That's computed.
Yes,
sir.
computed, I guess, because yung para bang we have 3 floors kasi.
Yes,
Yung para bang when I was saying, wow, ganon, naisip ko kasi this is, for example, if this is a 2-story building, this is very, very, actually more than standard. But ito, computed ito because we have
Yes, sir. We
3
don't
floors.
arbitrarily just install like 12 rebars. No, we come up with a recently. Well, in my days, we used to compute everything by hand. But nowadays, you just enter into an application
And they compute for you.
and they compute to you and come up with the design within like 10-15 minutes.
Because safety is really the most important thing sa lahat. I mean, what good is your structure if it's not gonna last?
True.
We want to build everything to last. Ngayon, if we're going to talk more, ano ang may expect natin within the next? Siguro we plan to shoot in another 6 weeks. Ano na ang magiging natin, development dito in the next 6
In
weeks?
another 6 weeks, siguro na mayroon na tayong
Second floor.
Second floor. Tapos
Third
we're
floor.
going to third floor. Yung third floor na tayo. So like this one.
Okay. Okay. And then another thing also is yung para bang I'd like all of our viewers to know that we were really worried about the weather nung time na
Sige,
yun
tell
na
them
it
about
was
that.
going to be rainy and everything. But when we were talking about that na last episode, lalo na nung naghuhukay tayo. But as you can see, since eto ay nasimentohan na, we're not worried anymore about any rain. So kahit na bumagyo dito ng bumagyo, okay na tayo because we're already off the ground. Syempre, it would be nicer if it wouldn't rain so that we would not be walang mga setbacks. Pero in terms of safety, wala na tayong issue ngayon with regards kahit umulan pa yan
Which
ng
was
araw-araw.
what we were worried about. Diba?
During the time
During
we
the
were
time
starting, but we were yung para bang God's graces were on us and natapos natin until this point and we are already in the safe zone.
Okay.
Siyempre, it would be nicer, the sunnier, the faster we can move.
Mhm.
But it doesn't mean that it will compromise any sort of safety anymore because wala na tayong butas eh.
True.
Diba? So wala nang butas. So everything is already set. We cannot compromise this by any sort of weather condition. Kung ano man siya.
Alright.
So that's where we can give our clients, lalo na ngayon, syempre our clients, Doc Joseph, that this is something na pwede mo nang you can already check this off the list.
No, but I would ask our viewers, no, even my followers, no, this is the only thing that I really put trust in legal homes. Diba? And then I always tell my friends now, even my doctor's friends, when they ask me now, sino yung ano mo? Who's your construction firm? Sino yung mga ano mo? They always say na, naku, buti na lang, he's a good friend of yours and you trust it. Yeah, of course. I had a friend, doctor friend, who lost like 6 to 7 million. He has to change to contractors.
I see.
Because the thing is, he just let them do and without talking, discussion much. And siguro sinabi nila no engineer Gary, parang, we can do this, we can do this, naman engineer Gary. Parang ano?
Lahat naman nagsasabi ng ganyan eh.
Better kami sa iba, better kami sa ganito. Pero yung work namin nagsasalita para sa amin.
Alam mo, kaya pala ako nakaka-receive ng bigla na lang ako nagkaroon ng 2 awards dahil pala pinopromote ako dito ni Doc Joseph. I just got emails yesterday for the company Netizens
I
Choice.
promote you.
See, so siguro it's through the promotion of Doc Joseph.
Di naman. No naman, in honest and all honest to honest goodness, no. Sabi ko, some of my friends, no, which it cut across not only in my profession but other levels of where I meet them. They're very interested you know, especially when I come out with this, they say, alam mo, problema yan. Yung mga electrical, problema yan. Yung
Hindi.
mga water, mga
Plumbing.
tubig, mga plumbing,
Wala.
or you call that. Eh, alam mo, sabi ko, naku, wag niyo akong i-stress, hindi ko alam yan. The only thing I know is to operate and, you know, and connect arteries and arteries.
And you know,
all
that is exactly the way it should be. It should
True,
not
true.
be your problem. It should be our problem.
In the beginning, sabi ko, it's good. The choice was really right in time, in due time. We can ask Engineer Gary or where is the place that we initially designed? So we go around.
Sige.
Kasi
Going around.
This would be the reception area. Over this one is a reception table, reception table.
Okay.
This is the doctor's office. Dr.
the
Joseph
doctor's
office.
Yeah, this is the ground floor.
Ground
This
floor.
is going to be the office of Dr. Joseph. The LED will be here. And so para bang we'll show you how to do space planning. That should be an exciting episode when we're starting space planning. Kung paano natin.
Where's your standee?
Ha? Wala
Because
pa.
you'll be commercializing the machine.
in the front.
Ay, secret ba yun?
Ayun, secret ba yun? Later on na yun, pagka natapos ang lahat. Pero ito kasi ngayon, this is the ground floor. So as
So we go around?
yeah, this is the ground floor. So, Sir Gary, ito, if this is Joseph's office, ano naman ito ngayon?
This is the comfort room for the office of
Okay, this is the comfort room. Ito yung anatomy.
Ang dami palang-
Dito dadaan ng ihi. Dito dadaan ng ihi. Hindi lang ihi po ang dumadaan dito kung hindi yung number 2. Pero siguro, alangan naman sasabihin ko pa yun, di ba? Alam nyo na yan. Sana tayo ngayon?
This is the machine room.
Machine room.
Okay. This is the pantry area.
Mm-hmm.
So, and the wardroom or conference room. This one. And Sir Jerome's office.
Okay, very good. Actually, ngayon na nakita na natin ito, it seems to be larger than what you thought, di ba? Nung medyo naka-layout na siya, mahaba yung property natin and rectangular. So you can just imagine times 3 ito. We have this, we have the second, and we have the third floor.
Yeah.
So it's quite spacious. It's not,
Yeah.
I don't think you will lack space.
Right.
And
And,
since-
this one is
For the stair.
Stair ito.
Stair going up. May space doon. We can utilize this as storage area. This under.
and the reception.
And reception will be put there in this area. Beside.
Okay. So, yeah, the parking is there in the front. So, antabayanan natin ito till the next episode.
Yeah.
Mas magiging exciting na ito kasi ito, progress report lang, nakikita natin kung ano ang nangyayari. Ito yung wall natin, no? Siguro pakita na rin natin. Itong layout na ito ng hollow blocks, this is the wall. And then, meron, nakikita mo may mga steel rebars din tayo dyan. This is the support. Yeah,
No?
yeah.
I think
Okay.
by the next meeting, ganito pa rin. Pero asa sa second floor na tayo.
Okay.
Yeah, again, di ba promotion talaga. Only Regal Homes will tell you what is nice to do and the height, with their engineers, the team will tell you what is appropriate. Sometimes even if you wanted to push this, they will tell you no because clinic should be at this height and this format or whatever, right?
Oo. Yes, at saka isa pa ang napansin ko nung nag-uumpisa tayo, mag-isa pa lang tayo. Ngayon, ito na yung barracks natin.
Yes.
Dami
Ito
na
na yung
nila.
barracks natin. Marami na. Dati noon maliit.
Look at
Maliit
the
pa.
barracks.
Ngayon, maganda na ang barracks natin. So, komportable ang mga workers natin who are staying here. Ito si Engineer Troy. Troy,
Troy.
anong masasabi mo ngayon? How do you feel that we've gone this far?
feels I feel really proud and happy for Doc Joseph, and I hope that as we continue to build on this, it gives them also a bit of a drive to furthermore
Yeah.
pagandahin.
Of course, because maraming palapag ito eh. So, ayun, para sa akin lang, it's really wonderful to see things go up like this. See the dreams of people come true. Not for anything else, of course, Doc Joseph is my friend, okay? Ando na tayo. Pero sa totoo lang, no? And I've always been honest naman. My main concern here and my main inspiration here is maging happy si Mami. Second na lang yan si Doc Joseph. Kasi siyempre si Mami talagang she's really deserves it talaga.
Ganon.
Ganon.
Sige. Alam mo, August ang transfer. Hindi. Pero that's it.
Yeah.
In Regal Homes again. And
We are
ako
family. May compassion tayo.
There is a thing when you involve the family. It's not only the person who is doing the house or
Because-
any building. You involve the whole thing. And when you put the heart on it, it's like the passion is within the walls of what you're building.
Yes, kasi-
it makes it more meaningful, I think.
Yes, it gives
May
it
iba
a
kasing
personality eh. Kasi
Alam mo, may
Mm.
iba kasi, pareho kami madaldal na. May iba kasi just construct and construct.
Oo.
You get what I mean?
Yes. Ngayon kasi,
Kaya Regal Homes kayo.
kaya ngayon kasi isipin mo, kahit hindi ito naiintindihan ni Doc Joseph ngayon, dahil ito pa lang ang nakikita niya. Hindi. Pero once na nakatayo na ito, once na nandyan na si clinic, once na nandyan na si pantry, may flashback ngayon kung ano ito dati. So, naiintindihan mo kung paano siya tayo.
Yeah.
Maybe now you won't, but when you see the finished product, you will understand kung paano siya umabot sa iyo.
Alright. And some of my friends who are, beyond, my profession would ask, why are you going to the site? You really look at it. No, because I want to understand. And they make me, the team makes me
Part of it.
part
Yeah.
of it. Because I'm not really a engineer or an architect in a sense. So, but I try to understand. Later on, when people would try to ask, can you refer me or recommend me? Then I can say, di ba? From the ground, if ever this comes into reality in the next few months, when I sit in the office, I will say, alam mo ba, nasa ilalim, ano to? How they do it?
Kambing.
So, andyan ang kambing na
Andyan ang kambing.
sacrifice
Sa
ng
baba.
engineer na Gary.
Ah, di ba?
Dito
Okay.
ang kambing.
Anyway, we will cut. Sige, until next time. Until next time. We're having fun now. As a whole team, we are here today. Magpapapicture na tayo.
Yes.
Okay? Lahat. Alan, hindi ka na. Dito ka na. Okay.